Good morning, everyone, or whoever sees this. We are in the London session again. And yesterday was quite interesting. My gold trade, which I left from the London session, went all the way to stop loss. I think I brought back some of that. Yeah, I had. After that, I took a because I closed the trade. After that, I took a euro-dollar sell, which ended up TP1 and TP2. That was quite before the end of the kill zone, so turned out fine. So that's it for that. We're still up over 7%, so let's go. Okay, so the euro-dollar, for now, there is a consequent encroachment for this candle from March 24. And if we do get a reaction, and by reaction I mean change of character, then we can go long here, right? You have to check the dollar index too. Oh, damn. Yeah, so the dollar index... Hold on, don't worry. I'm spinning this whole thing around. The dollar index right now is in a fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to reprice it or not. So far, I think it's definitely heading towards the upside to reprice this. We'll see. It can also bounce back to go further down to grab some liquidity, reprice this level. Let's go back to euro. So I'm looking for a bullish reaction here. I'm not saying I'm overall bullish. Actually, I'm quite bearish on the euro still because next sell side is down here. Have to check out PD arrays on lower time frames. So first of all, this is the midnight open. I don't know what to make of this, because if I would take a sell here, then the next point of interest would be down here, 0713, which is quite all right, but anyway, let's see. The pound so far, there was, yeah, this line here, this blue line or whatever color is historical sell side from the 10th of April on the 4-hour. Next sell side is quite below that. I'm not sure if it's gonna go there for now. Who knows? But this was the final target in terms of liquidity. So yeah, it can turn around. It's hard to tell. It's right now, since we met our targets this week, it's hard to tell what's it gonna do. So on the hourly, there's really not much to do here. There is a fair value gap here on the hourly. It can tap into that and go down again. I guess we have to see. Otherwise, we do have buy side up here and here. So next buy side should be over there. Let's see what it does. No reaction so far. Dollar index is bullish. It's not too far. I mean the upper portion of this fair value gap. And if we go out to the daily again, there's not much to reprice here. There's a rejection block up here and there's a gap. I'm not sure if we could reach that today. That would be quite a stretch. But the dollar index can definitely go and reprice this whole range of this daily fair value gap. I don't know. I don't know. Gold made a low after tapping into yesterday's previous day low, but we do have a sell side here and here. Don't know what to make of this. This is the daily for gold. Buy side liquidity. Well, that has been taken. So yeah, yesterday it tapped into buy side and went down. Wouldn't be surprised if it would turn again and go up, but no reaction so far. This can be a breaker, by the way. It could be a breaker. On the 1 minute, formed a higher high, made a low, but we would need a displacement through this level. Actually, I can put an alert here, right? Why not? And we'll see what happens. Dollar nothing, pound edging higher. This is the 1 hour fair value gap right there. We can get a reaction. We can definitely get a reaction. All right. I should be looking at 1 or maximum 2 markets. I know that. On the 3 minute, well, so far it could be, it could look like a breaker. Yeah, breaker could form on the 3 minute as well. It could be a breaker. Let me lower the music. So it could be a breaker. I guess we just have to see if it goes through that. I think it will. Okay, yeah, that's it. Gold went through it. Let's check it on MetaTrader as well. We don't have 3 minute charts here, but it could be a potential breaker, you know. Sell side has been taken. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. We do have fair value gap here. What kind of news we have? No news. Oh yeah, it could be all right for retracement. Okay, closed it. Yeah, I think this could be our entry point for a breaker, because we're always, as well, we use a fair value gap as much as we can, but yeah, so far it's going up. If we tap into that, then we might get a reaction or an entry, most likely. Okay, we're in, but it can go easily against us. But it looks like a breaker. To me, at least, it looks like a breaker. Maybe I have a little bit tight stops here. All right. We'll see. So far, it was looking like a breaker right there. We just have to see. Well, let's go to Euro. Euro is not making the kind of reaction that we were waiting for. It could be also good for a long entry. Pound. Let me just put this fair value gap right here. Pound. It's not a good short. Yeah, it's not a valid short in my book anyway. So we are still hoping for gold breaker. Euro could also be pushing upwards. Where was this? Yeah, because it's on trading view. Let's check it on trading view. There was the consequent encroachment. We could see a change of character if it breaks through this. For now, we're hoping for gold for the breaker to show us some movement to the upside, at least for TP1. And after that, we'll see where to go from there. I forgot to count the spread anyway. Maybe I should have counted for the spread. My fault. Even, you know, the pound can get over this level here, which is a 1 hour fair value gap. And then maybe we can get a short entry from the upside. I'm not sure. Yeah, should be fine. Should be just fine, hopefully. So I would like to see the pound go up. With the euro as well. Gold is having its own time, but let's look at gold briefly. There is some buy side here to be taken out, so why not? I wouldn't see any big problem. Lower highs all the way, so why not take a little bit of buy side there? That would be good to our trade. Let's hope for a partial, right? And so far, nothing major here on the euro. We're waiting for pound. Gold is not doing what we wanted to do. But at least the pound is edging higher. And this is not a clear structure break on the euro. I don't really like it so far, but you know, we need a clean reaction. Now this is a clean reaction. Now this can help the pound. Okay, the pound is already in the 1 hour fair value gap. It repriced it, which is good. Although from this moment, I'm not sure how it's going to help our gold trade, but now buy side is up here, or it can reprice this range and dive into that sell side liquidity, which is only 14 pips away. No liquidity has been swept if we go with the 2022 model. Would be better to see liquidity sweep. So for now, we're just gonna wait. At least the pound did sorta make with this 1 hour. I don't know. Not that perfect reaction. Anyway, I would like to see the euro to go all the way up. This is an order block, by the way. I could be wrong, of course, but I could be definitely wrong. But, you know. That's an order block on the 5 minute. Euro didn't hit it yet, but I have a feeling that we do have buy side up there. So we have to wait, I guess so. So let's wait. That's kind of a magnetic level again. So on the pound, I don't see anything. The next important level would be up here. But yeah, let's hope that it goes in that direction. There is still some buy side to be taken out, hopefully. Okay, that's the hourly pound, by the way. No reaction so far. I'm gonna check the dollar index. Yeah. So this is the dollar index on the 5-minute. Same on the 15-minute. Could go down to poke down for some sell side liquidity. Here on the 15-minute, on the hourly, definitely there is a little bit of fair value gap here. Also could form a breaker entry if someone is trading dollar index. Who knows? Dollar is always acting a little bit strange. I mean, the dollar index itself. A little bit of a turning point from the pound. I don't really consider this as a structure break. If we go down here, okay, 30-minute candle closing in 1 minute and 30 seconds. All we need is a little bit of dollar weakness, maybe. That could help us with the gold trade. Volume should be coming in about 31 minutes. So this could be good for a so-called pre-London trade. But have to wait and see. Don't really need that much to go higher. Just a little bit. Just a 1-to-1. All right, 30-minute candle and the 15 and the 5 closing in 20 seconds. Let's check the pound. Not a clear structure break for me. And I know the euro dollar has, okay, here's the candle close. I know the euro has repriced this range, which can, you know, mean anything, but so far I would like to see this go higher more. And maybe take out that order block, or at least go into the range of that order block. And then maybe we can go short. We didn't really take a short since quite a while on an order block, but if it goes into there, maybe we can do it with a structure break entry or something. I don't know. Have to wait and see. And so far we are still waiting on gold. All we need is a spike to the upside. Now euro is getting to touch that order block. I don't know. All right, we are in the order block on the euro. Let's see if we can get through it. It seems like it wants to go through it, but and then we have to check the lower time frame on the 1 minute. So far, I would guess it should take out this buy side. Let's look at the pound. You see, not a clear structure break. Also, we have next buy side up there for the pound. Not all that clear for me what it wants to do, but if I would bet, I'd say it may want to take out that buy side over there. Euro too. Let's look at gold. Gold was hovering in this area. We have equal high here, some buy side there. Yeah, it could go up. We have a little bit buy side there. It would be great to see it take it out on that level. It was definitely a breaker in my book with an FVG entry. I would consider that a valid entry, especially after taking out some Asian lows. So even if it turns against us, I would stick with this trade. I would stick with it. First partial should be around here, right? Right. If it breaks through here. Okay, something happened. I know. We took partials. We took partials, man. We took partials. Come on, dude. Yeah. All right. All right. Took some partials. Very good. Yeah, that's very nice. That's very good. Maybe I took too many partials. Who knows? Who knows? But this breaker was at least a good trade. I'm going to log it too. This was 214. Let's log it before I forget. Oh, yeah, sorry. Two 14 London gold buy breaker TP1 on the 1 minute. It was all right. We'll see what the end result is going to be. Will it going to take TP2? All right. What's the monthly profit so far? 8.3. And today we had a winner. Right. Okay, so we are risk-free so far on this trade. Let me put it a little higher in case of slippage. Yeah. Should be all right. Okay. Okay, so the euro. Bearish order block on the 5 minute. No liquidity has been taken. And it goes down. Oh yeah, that was a structure break right there. Could have traded that, by the way, just saying. I'm not going to feel any FOMO about this since I'm not really into order blocks. Okay. I mean, sorry, fair, yeah. So this would be an initial entry. But you know, buy side is up here. So. And this is London morning. Market's still not open yet. It's for me, it's risky. So I'm not taking it for now. I'm staying with the breaker and the classic model and hoping for the best. There is an imbalance here. Imbalance right here. Right here, right here. At this level. Come on. Okay. Yeah. I mean, this top... Oh, okay. I think gold just made its move. All right. Okay. TP1, TP2 reached. Okay. Gold spiked higher to take out our TP2. Beautiful breaker, if I could say so. Yeah, very nice. Okay. Okay, very good. Making a screenshot. There. Nice. No, that's not it. There. Now it's been uploaded. All right. So that's a TP1, TP2. That puts us overall 9.05% profit. Yeah, you see? It wants to take out the door block. All right, business as usual. I still believe it's going to take it out. So market is still, I mean, market open is still ahead of us. So otherwise, after this point, I'm going to go maybe bearish on gold. Depends what it wants to do. It repriced everything. No inefficiencies. Well, only here. A little bit of inefficiency. This was beautiful. This was a beautiful entry right there. Nice breaker here. I really love the breaker. This is definitely gonna go higher. Order block on the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Then drops down. So we are in an order block or entering an order block on the pound. Waiting for market open. Oh my god. Nothing so far. Our final TP on gold is quite alright. It was great. I'm just waiting for euro with this high to be taken out. Yeah, that's it. Now it's been taken out. This could also be a good entry with an order block below this midnight open level. We're in premium, so it could be all right. We do have some sell side down there, but otherwise, no clean entry. Let's see. Maybe I don't like it. This could be a breaker to the upside, but because it's a higher high here, if we consider this as a swing, but we would need the 15-minute candle to close a little bit higher with the gap, and then another 15-minute candle just to hover around. And the candle after that, we need that to go back to the gap, and then we're gonna have a breaker. Who knows? It can happen. If it wants to go higher, oh, that's the 30-minute, right? Yeah. Okay. Nothing there. This is the 30-minute. Not too much inefficiencies. Not on the euro as well. For now, it seems like it's gonna be a quiet session. Might be just better for me to leave it as it is. Oh man. Okay. Oh. S&P definitely gonna take out that buy side here. Yeah, buy side right there. Five handles if it goes back to this, but it's not gonna go there. So let's just wait. Let's wait. Let's see what the euro wants. All right. Tapped into Asian session, not too much. I don't really like these levels. Would be nice to see some stronger buy side liquidity to be taken. And so far, there's not much of a strong level. Yeah. Maybe this could be considered as buy side, but not too much. So, not that strong reaction, which I was hoping for. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nothing. Okay, now the pound is showing some structure break, but don't get fooled. Although we are in an order block. So we are in the range of an order block. Might be getting a reaction. I don't know. Let's check the dollar index. If it wants to reprice that range, it could go for it. Oh. Oh, look at that. Right? Okay. Okay, now we're seeing something. And the market still didn't open yet, so that could be considered as a structure shift, especially because it's inside an hourly order block. Hard to tell. Still need 30 seconds to close that. And the only valid fair value gap right now is here. How much is the range? That's all right. We're over 6 pips. Could be enough. I'd say. Could be enough. We still have sell side targets to continue lower. All right, now this is getting interesting. Oh man. All right. So far, I'm just gonna put a limit order here. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Not really my cup of tea, but gold, nothing. Okay, so the pound, if someone is trading for order blocks, then it did have a structure break here, which is a good entry for someone who is definitely an order block trader. I think I'm gonna scrap this limit order. All right. All right. Here and here. Okay, it took out sell side. I don't like this trade anymore. There. Wow, look at this. The euro wants to go lower. Wow. Wowie. Could be sell side, but only if we consider this as an act of, as a breakaway block maybe. Now those I'm not trading as well, but what's the range for the low here on euro? 2.5 pips, that's nothing. What's the range here? 4 pips. I don't like it. Not trading it. If someone would got short here because of the hourly order block, then yeah, already be a TP1. So far, I'm not trading this. Let's see the dollar index. Moving higher. Very strongly. Moving quite higher, and market open is in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, it's getting back into that order block. I mean, sorry, fair value gap. Sell side is down there. There. Overall, could go for taking out sell side. I don't know, I'm not sure. We're in the fair value gap, that's cool. Midnight range is just right down here, and we have sell side down here. So why not, right? Market open is right now. Might regret this. All right. What's dollar index doing? Nothing. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. We have to wait and see how this thing evolves. I'm still hoping that dollar index is gonna get stronger and take out some, reprices some inefficiencies that can help with this trade. Hey, Tillen, how you doing, man? How you doing? Good to see you, by the way. Well, as you can see, I'm still hoping that the dollar is getting stronger. We had a 1 hour order block. We had a reaction, although I could have had a better entry, but the dollar index is edging higher, so I'm expecting Forex pairs, dollar crosses to edge lower. There's still some sell side to be taken out. That's my overall analysis. Hoping that it will go down. That's what I'm hoping for. Didn't really take out Asian low, the pound actually. The euro did some maneuvers down there, but the pound is still like a virgin in terms of taking out the Asian session price range. Could be a good target, and also their sell side still hovering on the 4 hour, very significant levels. I'm hoping that we will breach into those. Could be wrong, of course, but the 1 hour order block for me was very significant, so I'm hoping that it will push it down further. The euro is going lower. Where is the gold? Yeah, gold. I'm hoping that gold will do its job. All we need is 2 pips, by the way. You're fine? Cool, man. You're not fine. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not fine. I'm on a losing streak. Wow, what? Lost 7% in a row. Now I'm down 7% in my funded FX. You're down 7%. Oh my god. Dude, what the hell is happening with you, my man? What did you do? Did you overtrade or something? What the hell happened? For me, it seems like maybe you overtraded or something, or I don't know, over leveraged maybe? Position size wise, you put on too much of a position there. Come on, dude. Talk to me. I'm gonna be your therapist in this session. Come on. Come on, 1 pip, guys, 1 pip. All we need is 1 pip, just 1 pip. Come on. Okay, there we go. Epic. Now this trade was epic. I must say, I have to like. All right, man. We're cool. We are epic. Thank you. Man, this trade. I I was inside my mind, I was a little bit of cautious because I don't really like order blocks. I don't feel them. This trade so far so good. Today I already made a win on gold, TP1 and TP2. And this is my second. This is my funded FX account, by the way. This is my funded FX account, a 50K account. So today I already made 1%, almost 1% technically. So I'm very happy with the result. I'm not even sure I want to trade in the New York session because I have a rule. If I make 1% in a day, I'm closing the chart for the day. I'm having an off session. Off session. It might want to take out this. Let's see if it does. Even if it goes all the way back up, I don't really care. Wow, what a trade this was. What a trade this was. I overtraded now. I have to work with only 1% without losing it. Oh, so basically you were risking more than 1%. I get it. I assume, right? You were risking more than 1%. Dude, how many trades you took in one session? Like you had to take like at least 2 trades, I know. But I'm gonna wait for the final TP to see where it goes. So you had to take like, if you were over leveraging, I mean you were risking more than 1% and you lost 7% in a row. I guess it didn't happen in one day, but dude, just look at this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in a row. By risking 1%, that's 7% down. And I know I wasn't streaming before on YouTube actually before this, but I was up 12% here. Around the 18th of May, I was up around 12%, and I went down after this losing streak. I went down to around 4% or something. I don't know. I overtraded. Now I have to work with only 1%. So yeah. So that was a 7% losing streak. But after that, look at that. Winners are coming. I mean, stop losses are coming as well. That's frustrating, but winners are coming, and losing streaks will be there, I guess, in the long run, always. The only thing we can do is control emotions, and it's hard. I know that. I know it's hard, dude. First I lost twice, that's 2% down, and my emotions took over, and I see. Not gonna lie, the way I lost the 7%, it was also about emotions. I took trades which were never really, I mean, they were there, but they were not A+ or like A trades. They were not so good, and no single win till now. Dude. I feel that. I totally feel that, but you know, if you're applying a solid risk management, then you will survive in the long run. That's 100% sure. if you do a solid risk management, and I don't know how to say it because I even break my own rules, but you have to keep reminding yourself that after like 2 or 3 stop losses in a row, that's it. You have to stop. I didn't sometimes, I know that, I admit that, but it's hard, but you have to keep pushing your mind that okay, that's it for the day. Maybe go demo trade or analyze the market or something, or tape read or something, but do not trade, at least not on that particular day, no more. You have to gain some energy, go out, have a walk, take a walk. I did that at that losing streak. I went out, there's a park near my place. I went out and I took a walk and listened to the birds, reassessed my brain. You know, you have to regain some energy. You must. No other choice. But man, I definitely feel you there. I definitely feel you there, and I do hope that it all goes well for you. I know losing streaks are always around the corner, but also winning streaks. Winning streaks are always around the corner as well. It's what the market gives us, you know. We have to adapt ourselves. But I'm sure you'll get over it. I'm very confident that if you do a solid risk management, then you will get over it. I'm sure about that. Okay, TP2 has been reached, ladies and gentlemen. Today I made $639 on this 50k challenge account, which is more than 1%. It's more than 1%, and by my own rules, I'm not opening any more trades if I'm over 1% profit in any of my accounts in a single day. If in a single day I'm over 1%, why should I give it back to the market? There's like there's no logic trading more. Of course you can go for 2%, but let's be honest, what are the chances? What are the statistics? What are the numbers saying that it's really gonna happen or not? Yeah, you can go for 2 or 3% in a day, but let's be honest with each other. It's not always happening. With my solid setups, I am up 26% for the month, but I don't follow it sadly because I wanted to get funded faster. Ooh. Now I'm humbled. With my solid setups, I'm up 26% for the month. Dude. That's cool, man. What the hell are you talking about? You're up 26% for the month? Dude. Come on, crowd. 26%? That's like... Dude. Anyway, this brings the final TP to TP1 and 2, which brings us over 10%, 10.45, 2 wins, and 10.45%. Everything is logged, so yeah. I'm not trading I think, in this session more because it's just too good. I mean, I don't know. I mean, never say never, right? But I just don't see anything that I should be risking anymore. I'm very happy with today's result. This challenge account, by the way, went down with my losing streak because I bought this challenge account during my losing streak. And I immediately went to drawdown like 4% or something, 3.5, 4% with this account. So overall, this account is still in the negative, but almost 50K, 49,726 all history. So that's it, almost back to 50K at my funded FX. But then again, I bought this account in the middle of my losing streak, but I managed to regain some losses. Custom period. Let's go for today. $639. So actually more than 1% in a day. Actually, it's around 1.2, 1.25 something. That's very good. It's a very good percentage. I'm happy. We have to celebrate these days, because I know there are losing days and they are always around the corner, but we have to celebrate sometimes. We're back over 10%. We still have tomorrow, and we have 3 days from last week, so overall 4 trading days. If we can just preserve this profit, then I think we did a good month so far. Have to be careful, but still I am quite satisfied with the result so far. Oh, actually, let me do the charts here. Let me do the charts. That's the first portion. That's the second. All right, that was the entry. TP1 and TP2. Right. Okay. Let's do the screenshot. And this is May 25th. Let's add it to the chart. There. All right, it's logged. I don't know where this chart is. I didn't find it. I'm lazy to retrace it, but that was a stop loss anyway, so okay, so pound didn't really took out yesterday low. By the way, for the euro, there is a very good sell side target here on the 1 hour right here, this long wick, and there is an inefficiency way over there. So if someone wants to take a short, then, you know, here is a small fair value gap for a scalp trade of 5 pips. It's gonna go down there. I'm very certain, but honestly, I don't know if I would have taken this trade. Let's see what the 5 minutes. Yeah, there's a small fair value gap here on the 5 minute. Maybe should wait for that to retrace. There you go. Retrace a little bit into that fair value gap, and here take a short in that fair value gap. And at least it should be good for a 1-to-1. Okay, so this right here would be an ideal short to attack sell side. 5-minute fair value gap. I'm not saying it can go higher, but it's so close to this significant low on the daily, like 1 pip away. So if entry is here, yeah, stop loss should be around the next fair value gap. It's 6 pips, 7 pips. Yeah, maybe around here in the midpoint. I would not want to see that go into this range. For someone like me who trades 12 trades in a month roughly, I was in already took 9 trades when I got phase 2, and I knew my setups were not available much, so I started trading anyhow. Yeah, so you force the trades. You force the trades. You take 12 trades a month roughly. Dude, I admire you. I admire you. Because that's my ultimate goal, to take less and less trades. But since I'm a day trader, of course I know day traders may take only like a few trades a month, but I could say that I'm trading high frequency. I guess so. I could say that, but dude, I admire you for taking 12 trades in a month. That's very good. That's like 3 trades on average in a week. Wow, that's exactly what I would like to do. I'm not complaining, although, because I like dopamine, I like adrenaline, I like the markets. For me, it's like a passion, a hobby, a passion. So I really do this with passion. But my biggest obstacle is, and of course for many people, is to sit on my hand and wait. So I just have to dive into these low time frames, like 1 to 5 minute, and do some high frequency trading. The thing I can do is just lower my risk to 0.5 or 0.3%, so I can maybe take more trades. But dude, I admire what you do. 12 trades in a month with 1% risk. That's the ultimate balance, I think. For me, first step would be a balance to take like 2 hours in London session and 2 hours in New York session. That's 4 hours a day. So that would be optimal for me. So as of right now, this would be, well, not just in profit wise, but in time wise. I'm sitting here since 1 hour 23 minutes. I would do the same in a New York session, and that's it, with high frequency trading for now, and then lower the frequency. I'm still saying that this euro will touch that historical low, but I don't want it to go here. I want it to stay here or in this area, 8 pips away. Yeah. So if someone would enter here, stop loss would be over this fair value gap. This could be great for a 1-to-1. If not for 1-to-2 or higher, but at least a 1-to-1 range. This could be a good trade. There you go. I'm telling you, it's gonna go down there. It's gonna go down there. I'm not taking any trades. I'm happy with today's result. I'm not taking any more trades today. I mean, not in this session. I will check out New York, but no more trades for me in this session. I have a gut feeling that it will go down there and at least test it with a wick or something. You can check it 0714 on the daily. It's a historical low, good level for sell side. And we're so near. It's just one small push away. We are in a fair value gap that's repriced, gaining some momentum, and boom, I would like to see sharp and big candles, strong big candles to the downside. There. Strong candles, not like sloppy, shitty candles, little dojis or something, but strong candles. If not, that's still okay. Until it takes, at least if it takes it out. But I want to see it tank like fast. If it starts, then it's gonna go like boom instantly. Also a good sign that we have this long wick pin bar here. I hate these candles. It's good indications, but I don't like these. These wicks usually get filled many times. I don't trust these pin bars. Look at this. What the hell is it doing? Just a second, let's check pound. Oh, pound is going up. All right. Oh man, my TP was right on spot. Take out this sell side. Okay, pound is gaining momentum, repricing that range. It can go take out yesterday low. Could be an interesting short here if someone wants to take it on the 5-minute. Also, I would go with the pound. Very good entry. Stop loss would be somewhere up here, maybe over this fair value gap. Stop loss could be somewhere in this range, and final TP should be down here. That's it. That's my analysis for pound. Gold, I don't care about gold. I made a nice one here. TP1 and TP2 has been taken. But pound, look at that. Pound repriced this. I'm almost like 90% sure that it's gonna go down, take out yesterday's low, because we still have historical lows left here. All right. Well, anyway, that's it for me. I'm not gonna sit here. Thank you very much for everyone or anyone who was here, and please drop a like if you liked the stream. I might gonna come back at New York session. Thank you so much again for being here. Hopefully these are gonna break the lows. So far it seems like my analysis is not that good on this one, but I took my fair share this morning, and I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna go and relax a little bit, do some stuff. I still believe, my final thoughts is that euro and pound should break lower. Pound should break yesterday's low, and the euro dollar should break this daily historical low level here at 0714. So that's my final thought. Gold, I don't know. Okay, so thank you very much, Dylan, especially for you for being here and chatting with me. I wish you a fast recovery from those losses. Use a good risk management. You know, you can do it. The winners are around the corner. So thank you very much for being here, and have a great morning, evening, night, whatever. So cheers.